of the world के लिए साठ सती is going to be beneficial as in easy. For the remaining 66%, it is going to be a difficult transformation. By difficult transformation, I mean they will go through stress. They will have to adapt. Challenges ज़्यादा होंगी उनकी life में.
जी.
Whether it is challenge for relationship, health, emotions, they'll have to figure that out. पहले जब Saturn Moon के पास आता है, he's 12 houses away. Remember I told you that's the time you have to let go of things.
Right.
मैंने एग्जाम्पल भी दिया था. We've had people that come into our office and said we've lost our job. हमारे पास अब काम नहीं है. We're very stressed. दो चीजें हो सकती हैं. Either you sit and complain, or you start making a resume, start getting creative, get skills, networking. The second step is better, na?
Right.
That is first phase of Sat Sati. Second phase of Sat Sati is when Saturn is right on your moon. You will start questioning ki, did I do the right thing by starting a business? Did I do the right thing by accepting a job in this company? You have to learn to let go and accept what is happening. Emotionally you'll become stronger, more resilient. And then third phase hota hai jab Saturn moon se dur ja raha hai, where you will start reaping the benefits of what you've done, how you've adjusted, how you've adapted. So if you sleep well, your day is going to go well. If you go to school earlier on in life, you have a good education, good background, good moral values, life अच्छी रहेगी. Same way, Sat Sati is just this 2.5 or 5 years of struggle, hard work, जिसके बाद आपकी life अच्छी जाएगी if you make those 5 years more beneficial for you. So you have to understand कि आपका Sat Sati कब आ रहा है, कब जाएगा, which phase you're in your life. हमने ये भी कहा था कि if Moon happens to be sitting in its own sign, Cancer, or the sign of Leo, or the sign of Saturn, and Moon Saturn की दशा चल रही है, Sat Sati will be very difficult for you. So summing up the three phases of Sat Sati. First phase, just before Saturn goes on top of Moon. That's called the discipline and hard work phase. ये जो transit है, this is all about hard work, perseverance and discipline. Those who embrace the qualities of Saturn and Sat Sati will experience significant amount of positive personal, financial, economic and emotional change. Positive. Second is karmic lessons. Saturn is here to tell you कि आपने पिछले जन्म में क्या कर्म किए थे, या इस जन्म में the 23.5 years ago what you have done, and you're going to have to pay for it. And finally, the last 2.5 years is the new beginning. So you can actually reap the benefits of what you're doing. आज ही एक शो था हमारा न्यूयॉर्क में, in which we gave an example of Amitabh Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan Sat Sati hit him when he was doing movie Shehenshah, after which his career completely collapsed.
Right.
Now you tell me, जो 7.5 साल Amitabh Bachchan जी के गए, was his life better now or was it better before?
Better now.
Why is it better now? Did Amitabh Bachchan say, my career is finished, I'm just going to sit? No. He adapted. He took the role of a father instead of being the lead hero.
Right.
He started being a secondary role in movies as opposed to the primary role. ये adapting था. Okay. He also said no more action movies, let me do more family based movies. So he adapted, he adjusted, he works very hard. Right. 7.5 year struggle के बाद look where he is today. I can assure you, जब उनकी next Sat Sati आती है, he'll be well prepared for it too. And he's going to do even better. So all the listeners, Sat Sati is nothing to worry about. It is coming. It has to come. It is like birth, it is like death. ये आएगा, ये आपकी लाइफ में ऊंच नीच दिखाएगा. You just have to live with it, okay? So conclusion is Sat Sati is a challenging time. You will grow only if you are disciplined, you are aware of what is happening, and you are resilient. Those are the important points Sat Sati के बारे में. Sat Sati में growth भी होती है. Many people ask, how can I grow? You can have professional growth, personal growth, financial growth, relationship growth, and health and well-being growth. The key word is growth, not destruction. I'll explain one by one how you can grow in your Sat Sati, what you can do, how you can change yourself for the positive, and how life can be better for you once those 2.5 years are over.
So we actually have a couple of callers. Can we quickly take some calls?
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia. Go ahead with your details.
Sure. Hello, ji. Namaste.
Namaste. How are you?
Good, sir. Thank you. I'm from Stockton, California.
Okay.
I had to ask a question. I wanted to travel in the near future to UK and India. Do you think so? You look any travel for me in the near future?
You want to travel short term or long term?
Short term, just visiting.
What is your date of birth?
02/01/1952,
February 2nd, 1952. Okay.
Bombay,
Acha, you're
Mumbai.
where in Bombay?
I was in Tardeo.
Acha, I'm from Worli Seaface.
Oh, okay, great. That's a nice area.
Yeah. And what is your time of birth?
Noon, afternoon.
दोपहर के 12 बजे.
Uh-huh.
तो your question is, will you be traveling? Do I see any travel? देखिए जो short term
Yes.
travel होती है, long term travel is always by the ninth house. But you're not saying ninth. You want short term travel, right?
हाँ, ये एक दो महीने लंदन और बॉम्बे जाना है.
हाँ, तो एक दो ये जो होता है ये हम फोर्थ हाउस से देखते हैं, शॉर्ट टर्म ट्रैवल. फोर्थ
हाँ,
हाउस
हाँ.
इज रन बाय मून. ये कुंडली जो बन रही है ये, और एरीज असेंडेंट. जुपिटर की दशा चल रही है. जुपिटर सैटर्न. आई डोंट थिंक यू विल ट्रैवल नाउ. आई थिंक यू विल ट्रैवल आफ्टर जुलाई 14 से लेके आपकी ट्रैवल की दशा चलती है ऑल द वे टिल सितंबर 24. सो यू कैन ट्रैवल एनी टाइम नाउ, नो प्रॉब्लम, नो
Thank
इशू
you.
एट ऑल. लेकिन अगर
Very quickly.
if you don't go,
Sorry, go ahead.
then for sure between October 2024 and May 2025 is complete open window for you to travel. See, short term window हम देखते हैं जब planet की aspect गिरती है या उसके ruler fourth house को देखते हैं. In your case both are there, so you will travel, not a problem.
Thank you, sir. Very quick question, second. I
Uh,
want to retire.
Sir, actually, there are a couple of callers waiting.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
ma'am.
Yeah, you can connect with Dr. Bhatia directly 408-639-5300. Thank you so much for understanding. We have another caller waiting.
Sure.
Before that, I would like to remind listeners that studio lines are open now. You can give us a call if you have any quick question. 510-770-1550 is the number. But please stick to one question per caller. Thank you so much. Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
Hi, Dr. Saket. Thank you for taking my call.
Hi.
My question is for my son. His name is Ishan. His date of birth is December 4, 2009, and his time of birth is 1:04 a.m.
Okay. December 4, 2009.
and 8:04 in the morning.
Okay. And where was he born?
He was born in White Plains, New York.
Okay. And what is your question?
So question is like, when he was born, we had done his horoscope and we were told, I don't know how far it's true, कि इसका Jupiter हल्का या नीच का है. So they said when he is in his after 10, make sure you do some special vidhis to make this Jupiter powerful, so that his education goes smoothly. So I don't know where it stands now and where to do these kind of remedies. I don't know if you do it, and is it necessary?
So I'm looking at your son's chart, okay? Again, Ishan is born December 4, 2009, 104. I'm going to spend some time with you, try to make you understand ki what is going on exactly, okay?
Okay.
So your son's ascendant happens to be Virgo, okay? Virgo is ruled by Mercury. Mercury, jo Lord hai, he's placed in the fourth house and he happens to be in friendly sign. The first thing that we notice in your son's chart is his Jupiter and his Mars. Both are debilitated planets.
Okay.
A debilitated planet means the planet cannot give the results it needs to give in life. जब planet is
Okay.
so weak, it's think of it as not even infant. वो result नहीं दे सकता. He's just essentially finished. Now, you also have to go to Navam's chart and look at Navam's and see कि planet is debilitated there or no. He's not debilitated in Navam's chart. You've asked a very difficult question of debilitation. The only way I can give an answer of that question is by actually looking at what we call Varga. If I were to go into a D60, which is the actual true strength of the planets, I see that Jupiter is exalted but Mars is debilitated. So coming back to your son's chart, the two planets that will cause damage in his life are Jupiter and Mars. Jupiter not so much, but Mars more. Whoever told you
Okay.
that Jupiter needs to be fixed was actually a very wise man. Very right thing कही उन्होंने आपको. Jupiter को
Okay.
fix करना, you can call us, we can discuss offline how to do, but fix it. Every time we see a weak Jupiter, a debilitated planet in your sun's chart will impact the following. It will impact finances, it will impact children, marriage,
Uh-huh.
happiness at home, and gains in life. ये 5 things will be impacted. Whatever you want, you should do now because Jupiter Dasha has started. His Jupiter Dasha
Okay.
started in 2017 and will not end till 2033. Fix Jupiter.
Okay.
It is important.
Yeah.
Call us offline. We can talk. We do it. We help people fix. क्योंकि जब चार्ट अच्छी होती है and we know
Okay.
okay there is potential in this chart, we can do stuff. We might as well fix it. Okay.
Sorry, I cannot hear you anymore.
I said if there is potential in the chart, we always say fix it. In this case, you
Hello?
must. I don't know.
So, if you can hear me, you can connect with Dr. Bhatia directly, 408-639-5300. He can definitely help you with your son's chart. Once again, the number to call and get appointment is 408-639-5300. Can we take another call?
Sure.
Hi, Dr.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Bhatia.
Hello, Dr. Bhatia.
Hi.
My question about my career.
Okay. What is your date of
Date
birth?
of- Yeah, it's July 7, 1975,
Yes.
and place of birth is Aligarh, Uttar Pradesh.
And time of birth?
It's 3:54 a.m.
3:54 a.m. Okay.
That's correct. So I wanted to know about my career, Dr. Bhatia. Should I stick to this job or should I make a move?
She said 3:54 a.m. or p.m.
A.m.
a.m. Okay.
3:54 a.m.
Okay. Your question is, should you stick with your career or should you move?
That's right.
What do you do right now?
I am in the technology industry.
Okay. See, आपकी जो कुंडली बनती है, you're a Taurus ascendant. Your ruling planet is Venus, which is
Mm-hmm.
in neutral dignity. Your life career is ruled by the planet Saturn. Saturn is in a great friend sign, and Saturn sits in Punarvasu Nakshatra. ये important हो जाता है, so at least we understand what is happening. Right now,
I see.
for your kundli, Jupiter is the planet of gains. Dasha चल रही है Saturn की. Saturn Dasha is not going to be able to give you. You want to quit your job or you're looking for a solution?
I am thinking if I should try making a move or is it better for me to just stick around? I'm not too sure about it.
देखिए, Saturn is sitting in a great friend sign, so he's very well placed in this kundli. Even in Navam's chart, he's good. Saturn, Ketu are 12 houses away. Ketu sits in you. Ketu acts like Mars, which is sitting in the house. Between now, I would say stick with your job. Don't move right now. It's just not a good idea. Do not move.
I see.
You do not want to move till at least Venus Dasha comes. Venus Dasha is coming in 2024 September. But even after that, we have to go to Antar Dasha. I would strongly say take a look at early part of 2025, February. That would be a first step for you to say, okay, I may want to move. February 2025 se pehle, it's not wise for you to move. Not recommended from my perspective.
I see. Okay, so stick around until early next year.
Stick, yeah, absolutely. Okay?
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Good.
Thank you, Dr. Bhatia.
Thank you so much for your call, listeners. If you have any question, we have time around 30 more minutes in the show. You can give us a call 510-770-1550. Once again, the studio line number is 510-770-1550. Dr. Sakit Bhatia is live in Radio Zindagi studio. आप कॉल कीजिए उन्हें if you have any astrology or numerology related question. Dr. Bhatia has earned his PhD in the subject of astrology and is a certified numerologist. So he can definitely assist you with any issues regarding astrology or numerology you're facing. Or you can directly call him for a detailed consultation. 408-639-5300 is Dr. Bhatia's direct number. 408 639-5300, or you can log on to the website for all the information. That is by his first and last name, saketbhatia.com. We have another caller waiting.
Okay.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Bhatia. Thank you so much for holding.
Hey, hello doctor. How are you?
Hi, good. How are you doing?
Good. How are you?
Very well, thank you.
सर मेरा क्वेश्चन है माय नेम इज मनदीप कौर
Okay, hi.
and I born in November 30th, 1971 in Calcutta.
Nice city, okay.
Calcutta,
Nice
West
city.
Bengal. I know. And the time was not correct. Means it is, my mom always says it's between 12 to 1.
Okay.
Because the hospital gave us the birth certificate, it doesn't have a minute, and
No problem. 12 and 1 morning or afternoon?
morning.
So early midnight.
Yes, sir. After midnight, right?
Let's stick with 12:30. Okay, let's see if
Okay.
that does anything. If I go
Okay.
12:30, आपका ascendant 28 degrees पे है. If I were
Okay, sir.
to change it to 1 o'clock, your ascendant changes to 12 degrees. I'm just trying to see अगर फर्क पड़ता है कि नहीं. Otherwise, if it makes a difference, we won't be able to do much here. Virgo,
Okay, sir.
it makes a big difference actually. 12 and 12:30. Let's see. What's your question?
Question about my kids, my jobs.
Okay. So, are you married right now?
Yes,
Acha. And you have 2 kids?
yes, sir.
1 boy, 1 girl?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so your time is very close to 12:30. What is the question now? I can probably focus on that.
My job will be stable.
You have a retrograde Saturn. आपकी जो कुंडली बनती है, that is a Leo ascendant. Leo ascendant at 28 degrees. इसका ruling planet Sun is very well placed in Scorpio. Water sign होता है वो, Jupiter के साथ है तो उसे boost मिलता है. He is placed. I would say Sun happens to be in a great friend sign. आपकी नवम्स चार्ट में Capricorn, Aquarius, Pisces. Jupiter is debilitated. Ruling planet of your career is Venus, which is placed in. Have you been ये career में आप काफी टाइम से हो?
No, 6-7 years.
Okay, so retrograde Saturn है. Question आपका है, do you want to switch your career?
No, means I want to stay in the same. I'm in transportation.
Okay.
I am trucking and bus driver, truck and bus driver. Means sometime I suddenly change my job,
Okay.
I don't know what makes me. I just change, then it doesn't work out, and I go back to the same job. I am so happy that they accept me,
Okay.
But I never stay home, means I am working. If I quit Friday, then Monday I start the other one.
Okay.
Means
What is your key?
means why means my mind is not, means I always change my mind. I want to go for this,
You have, देखो, आपकी राहु की दशा चल रही है. Okay. Rahu is a planet that wants you to expand. It wants you to grow. Rahu also acts like Saturn. In this kundli, Rahu is sitting in the 6th house, which is house of service. He is also aspecting Saturn, which is his own lord. 10th house को राहु aspect कर रहा है, which will make you switch your career. It will not be a surprise to me if you switch your career again in mid of 2025. But that career switch you do in mid 2025 will be very beneficial for you. My suggestion,
Okay.
do not switch your career now. Wait till 2025 June, July. That is a better time. Rahu Mercury dasha आएगी. It will mean switch of, you may again transportation की दशा है, अच्छी है. You will be fine. But between now and 2025, opportunities आएंगी क्योंकि Saturn बैठा है career के घर में. Do not take anything. Wait. Stick in this job.
Okay, I just changed my job 3 weeks ago, and the one I quit, thank God they take me back again. Then I quit.
You will not lose your job. Jupiter is a good planet in this kundli, and he is sitting on your career. कुछ होगा नहीं, okay? Nothing
Yeah,
on the
that's okay. All right, thank you so much. But
Right.
if I want to change, then do it in the middle of 25, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much. थैंक्स फॉर योर कॉल. इफ यू हैव एनी मोर क्वेश्चंस आप डॉक्टर भाटिया से डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. 4086395300 इज द नंबर. You can connect with Dr. Saket Bhatia directly, or you can call right now if you have any quick question. 510-770-1550 is the number. We have some more time in the show. We can definitely take your call if you have any quick question. 510-770-1550 is the number. Or you can connect with Dr. Saket Bhatia through his website, saketbhatia.com.
So हम बात कर रहे थे साठ सती की ग्रोथ में.
जी.
There are so many ways you can grow professionally, personally, financial, relationship, health. So let's talk how you will grow. Let's talk about personal growth. Personal growth कैसे हो सकती है आपकी साठ सती में? Well, first of all, जब साठ सती आती है, it makes you emotionally strong. If you are able to adapt to the situation, you are able to accept कि क्या हो रहा है, you can make your mind stronger, you will grow. This is what emotional growth is all about. अपना जो mind है वो अपने काबू में कीजिए. साठ सती में you will discover yourself. You will have more opportunity of accepting who you are, accepting people around you, accepting situations. You will realize that you don't control everything. Neither life controls you completely. So, emotionally you will grow significantly if you use the right approach. Professional growth.
जी.
साठ सती में you will suddenly start thinking कि what am I doing with my life? Am I even in the right thing? लोग काम कर रहे हैं एक फील्ड में because they were forced to work. They need money. They have to pay bills. But when साठ सती comes, you always go and say, can I do something better? Life short है. I want to fulfill my dreams, my desires. So people say, I want to quit. I want to start my own business. I want to develop my skills. And most importantly, networking and relationships. The more people you know, the more help you will get, the more connections you will get, the faster you can grow in life. तीन चीजें होती हैं प्रोफेशनल डेवलपमेंट में: career growth, skill development, and relationship and networking. These three things, when they work together with your personal growth, which is control of your mind, you will be better in terms of Sat Sati. There's also financial growth. Sat Sati ke time pe I've seen hundreds of cases people have lost most of their money in the stock market, bad business decisions. This is a time when people say, think long term. I know people who've lost $5-7 million in the stock market in a matter of months.
Wow.
And guess what? Because of Sat Sati, they've come back stronger. They said, ye to gaya. Let's think of ways we can recover this money, what we can do bigger, better than this. That works for them. Relationships में इतना stress आता है, it tests you, it tests your partner, it tests your friends, it tests your families. You adjust, you adapt. You become wiser, you become better. ये भी अच्छी चीज है. And finally, health. Sat Sati में your health will take a toll. It will. But if you start exercising, you start eating right, dieting and so on, सब कंट्रोल में आता है. तो रिमेंबर वन थिंग, अगर लाइफ में आपकी चीजें अटक नहीं रही, बट हो ही नहीं रही, किसी का होता है अटकना, एक होता हमारा होता ही नहीं, स्टार्ट होने से पहले ही खत्म हो जाता है. देयर इज नो ब्लैक मैजिक ऑन यू, देयर इज नो सच थिंग. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि मे बी आपकी साठ सती चल रही है, मे बी आपकी दशा चल रही है. सो फाइट योर दशा, प्लान योर दशा and go along with the planet's flow and make yourself strong. आपकी लाइफ अच्छी निकलेगी.
Absolutely. So I got a call saying that I'm rushing when I'm giving your number. So let me repeat it slowly. I apologize for that. Dr. Saket Bhatia ka direct number where you can call and take an appointment is 408-639-5300. Once again, Dr. Bhatia को आप directly contact कर सकते हैं on 408-639-5300 और उनकी वेबसाइट इज saketbhatia.com with his first and last name saketbhatia.com. We have couple of callers waiting.
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
Yeah, hi. Hello, doctor.
Hi.
Yeah, this is Shivani here, and I want to ask question about my son. His date of birth is April 18th, 2009, and time is 6:01 p.m. In Noida, Greater Noida, India.
Can you repeat the details slightly slowly? 601 तो मिल गया मुझे.
हाँ जी, April 18, 2009.
2009. Okay. In Noida.
Greater Noida, India.
Okay. And आपका question क्या है?
मेरा क्वेश्चन उसकी स्टडीज को लेकर है डॉक्टर. हाउ ही विल बी इन हिज स्टडीज, हाउ ही विल डू इज इन ग्रेजुएशन, हाउ ही विल बी लाइक इन हिज स्टडीज, हाउ ही विल बी.
मैं देख रहा हूँ नोएडा कौन से स्टेट में आता है?
गौतम बुद्ध नगर, उत्तर प्रदेश. गौतम बुद्ध नगर होता है लेकिन उत्तर प्रदेश के पास, दिल्ली के पास है बिल्कुल.
ओके, बिकॉज यहाँ पर व्हेन वी पुलिंग इट अप काफ़ी नोएडा आ जाते हैं.
ग्रेटर नोएडा एक ही होगा, गौतम बुद्ध नगर, यूपी.
नो प्रॉब्लम,
यूपी लगेगा.
हाँ वो तो मिल गया. तो आपकी सन की जो चार्ट बनती है, ही हैपेंस टू बी ए लिब्रा असेंडेंट. लिब्रा इज रन बाय वीनस. वीनस एग्जॉल्टेड है आपके सन की कुंडली में. अनफॉर्चुनेटली वो 6th हाउस में है. 6th हाउस मीन्स सर्विस. तो आपका क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट विल ही स्टडी और व्हाट विल ही बिकम. व्हाट डू यू वांट टू नो?
Yeah, how he will be? How, will he be well established? How he will be studying? Like his studies, how it will be? He'll study good. He'll get good job. He'll go in good college, something like that.
तो वीनस के लिए लकी प्लैनेट्स होते हैं सैटर्न एंड लकी प्लैनेट्स होते हैं मर्क्यूरी. मर्क्यूरी 9th लॉर्ड है, वो 7th हाउस में बैठा है, राजयोग बना देता है. राहु जो है इस कुंडली में न्यूट्रल में है. देखिए आपकी सन की कुंडली में सब कुछ अच्छा है. इट्स अ वेरी नाइस चार्ट. हिज जुपिटर इज डिबिलिटेटेड एंड नवम चार्ट में भी जुपिटर वीक है. ये जो जुपिटर पहले भी एक लेडी हैड कॉल्ड, उनके सन का भी जुपिटर वीक था. इट विल इम्पैक्ट फाइनेंसेस, चिल्ड्रन, गेन्स इन लाइफ एंड लक. But otherwise, if you're asking education specifically, 10th house, 4th house में जुपिटर बैठ गया है, debilitated. तो ये पढ़ाई में प्रॉब्लम देगा, unfortunately. जो expectation है आपको लाइफ में कि my son can do this, that will get stuck a little. The ruling planet of Jupiter is Saturn, which is very strong in this kundali. But you must fix his Jupiter. Unfortunately, ये एक बड़ा प्रॉब्लम आ जाता है. 10th साइन में जुपिटर डिबिलिटेटेड है और जुपिटर जो धनुष नक्षत्र में ये प्रॉब्लम देगा. योर सन कैन डू अ बैचलर्स, अनडाउटेडली ही कैन, बट इफ ही वांट्स टू डू मास्टर्स एंड अबव, ही इज गोइंग टू नीड अ पुश इन हिज चार्ट. ये पुश तो चाहिए आपको. एंड जुपिटर राहु की दशा चल रही है. यस,
तो इनको फिक्स करने का क्या तरीका होता है?
देयर आर मेनी रेमेडीज यू कैन डू फॉर जुपिटर. देयर आर, हमने लास्ट टाइम बताया था, देयर आर 2 ways to fix Jupiter. One is to go ahead and use, for example, Jupiter's ruling day is Thursday. आप अगर मंदिर जाते हो Thursday, जाइए, go donate something yellow on Thursday. येलो दाल चलती है, चना दाल चलती है. You can donate religious textbooks. आप कभी मंदिर जाते हो, you've seen भगवद गीता पढ़ी है वहाँ. This is religious textbook to improve the impact of Jupiter. Another thing you can do is to go with yellow sapphire. These gemstones have to be carefully selected. They have to be good quality, good grade. So think about, gemstones are powerful. They do have good effects. आपके सन की कुंडली में Jupiter is also the planet of hobbies and fame and I'm not worried. If you make his Jupiter strong, उसके लिए लाइफ बहुत अच्छी निकलेगी आपके लड़के की. Contact us.
डॉक्टर साहब.
Contact us offline. We can discuss. See.
ठीक है.
Okay.
Thank you.
I want listeners to understand that for all the problems in life, the gemstones and is not a solution. Going to mandir is not a solution. But अगर planet debilitated है, there is not much you can do. No matter what you do, वो अटक ही जाएगा. We've seen this. We've realized this the hard way. Personal experience also. Jupiter debilitated है, life अटक जाती है. We need a boost. It's like if you don't, अगर आपकी गाड़ी में गैस नहीं है, by the time you reach the next gas station, आपको धक्का मारना पड़ेगा ना.
जी.
So that's what you do. You push the car till it reaches the gas station and then you give it a boost.
Pretty clear now. We have another caller. Can you quickly take
Sure.
the call? Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
मुझे अपने बेटे के लिए पूछना है. उसकी डेट ऑफ बर्थ है अक्टूबर 30th 1995, 8:20 PM, वडोदरा, गुजरात.
8:20 PM?
जी.
हाँ जी.
8:20 PM in Vadodara, Gujarat. Okay. क्या पूछना है आपको?
उसको अभी कुछ दिनों से ज्यादा एंजाइटी हो रही है, तो जस्ट लाइक क्या चल रहा है. उसकी आज कैट भी चली गई, कहीं भाग गई. सो आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन.
His cat ran away?
Yeah, he has 2 cats, so one ran away.
तो आपको सिर्फ ये पूछना है कि your son suffers from anxiety. What can you do about it?
Yes.
I'm looking at your son's chart. Anxiety is run by moon. इस कुंडली में moon is 3rd lord. He is placed in the 10th sign. नवम चार्ट में मून इज नॉट डिबिलिटेटेड. तो आपका जो क्वेश्चन है ये तो सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी, कुछ प्रॉब्लम तो है नहीं कुंडली में.
कुछ नहीं.
कुछ नहीं दिख रहा. नहीं, हमें तो कुछ दिख नहीं रहा. मून इज वेरी स्ट्रांग. मून पे जो एस्पेक्ट है वो शनि का है नहीं, राहु का एस्पेक्ट है नहीं. मून 9 डिग्रीज पे बैठा है. मून पे अगर कोई एस्पेक्ट है तो वो एक्चुअली मून पे कोई एस्पेक्ट नहीं है. एंड मून कोई बुरा योग भी नहीं बना रहा. मून पाइसीज में बैठा है. आई थिंक स्ट्रेस आपके लड़के से कम आपको ज्यादा है.
नहीं, मेरा लड़का यहाँ रहता नहीं है, वो रिवर साइड रहता है. बट आज मैंने उससे बात करी तो ही वाज टेलिंग मी, सो मेरे को लगा कि लाइक व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन. लाइक
नो आई एम सॉरी. सैटर्न देखिए आपके लड़के का 60 सती तो चल रहा है. ओके, वो 60 सती की लास्ट फेज है, वो खत्म हो जाएगा. आई एम नॉट वरीड. यू डोंट हैव टू थिंक, इट विल बी फाइन. नो इशू.
राहु महादशा भी तो है उसकी.
आई अग्री, राहु महादशा है, बट राहु एक्ट्स लाइक सैटर्न, और सैटर्न की एस्पेक्ट नहीं है मून पे, ना ही राहु की एस्पेक्ट है मून पे. जब मून की दशा नहीं है, मून पे कुछ चल नहीं रहा, मून अपने ही घर को देख रहा है, तो प्रॉब्लम तो कुछ नहीं है.
अच्छा नहीं है, पता नहीं फिर क्या प्रॉब्लम है. ओके, थैंक यू.
बाय.
We have another caller.
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Sakib Bhatia.
Yeah, hi. Thanks for taking my call. Hi, Mr. Bhatia. I just have a question. My date of birth is August 25th, 1975.
August 25th, 1975. Okay.
And the place of birth is Chennai. It's in. And the question I have is related to my career.
What is your?
Just wondering.
अच्छा, sorry. Your time क्या था?
8:35 p.m. It's in the p.m.
Okay.
It's between 8:30. I know at least.
No problem. What is your question?
Yeah, it's related to career. So just wanted to know, am I continuing continue working in the job, or maybe do you see if I can start a business, and if and when, and what should I start with?
You're asking, okay. See, your Kundli, I'm going to explain this slowly so you understand. You're a Pisces ascendant. Pisces is run by Jupiter, and Jupiter is retrograde in your chart. Retrograde Jupiter means it's a lucky planet, but it loses a lot of its strength. Jupiter is sitting in the second house, so you won't have dearth or lack of money. Jupiter is also Vargottam, making it strong. Now, in order to study career, you should start your own business, or you should continue working. We will go and study your 10th house in detail. 10th house का जो lord है वो Jupiter है, वो retrograde है second house में. That is an excellent combination, but it will cause delay in career. अब दशा चल रही है मून की, which is another lucky planet for you. मून की dignity is in a friend sign. नवम chart में भी moon is sitting in Jupiter's house. Sun happens to be the lord of business, जो exalt, जो अपने ही घर में बैठा है. To answer your question short, you are going to start your business. You will start a business. You have to start your business. But it is too early to start it now.
Okay. And do you see by any chance, like by what time frame do you see it can be possible?
You will have to first figure out what field you want to start. If you want to start in IT, you can do that. You want to start in real estate, you can do that. You want to start a teaching franchise, you can do that. But if there's something beyond that जो आपको करना है, that will be difficult for you. The best time for you to start would be, I would say, towards, actually dasha तो start हो रही है आपकी July 2024, which just started. That dasha will end in November of 2025. So between now and 2025, try. नहीं तो 2027 June to 2028 is another shot for you. You have to decide. But remember one thing. Consult with somebody like us before you start. It will help you figure out your timelines, what you have to do, when you have to do.
Really appreciate.
Because
definitely.
remember one thing, your Sard Sati also, I'm talking about it. It starts in about 2 years. Actually, it has already started for you. तो Sard Sati आपकी भी start हो गई. See, that's why you're already thinking. Do I want to leave? Do I want to start? Consult before before it hits you. Okay?
Okay, really appreciate for the time and for the question, and I'll definitely reach out to you.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for your call. So, listeners who are trying to reach us right now, we won't be able to take any more calls. You can directly connect with Dr. Saket Bhatia. His number is 408 639 5300. Once again, 408 639 5300. SaketBhatia.com is the website, or you can write to him info@saketbhatia.com. Ji.
If your ascendant is Capricorn or Aquarius, if your fifth lord is Capricorn or Aquarius, if your ninth house is Capricorn or Aquarius, that means there are total 5 combinations. Your Sat Sati can be good for you. इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि it will be easy. It will be easier than the remaining, 50% of the people. जब Sat Sati easy होती है तो positive traits and lessons मिलते हैं. Saturn, when it is good in your chart, or well placed in your chart, or strong in your chart, it will give you good growth opportunities. Individuals will face issues in life, but long term benefits मिलते हैं. Maturity मिलेगी, stability मिलेगी life में, supportive transformation होगा life का, for the positive. See, you can also have a negative aspect of Sat Sati where you can give in and say nothing is going my way, I accept, जो होगा कुछ नहीं होगा, मैं बेचारा हूँ, life is not treating me well. But that is for you. You have to learn to fight. This is a battle. You're going to have to fight. Somebody just called us now and said, I want to start a business. That is Sat Sati. His Saturn is coincidentally 12 houses away from Moon, which is clearly indicating time for him to quit his job or at least reevaluate what he wants to do. But you cannot make that wrong decision. You make a wrong decision, you start the wrong business at the wrong time, and things will not go your way. Sat Sati ये भी कहता है कि challenges आएंगी. If Saturn is good, it's going to be mild changes. If for example, you're working in a company, you start getting promoted, more responsibility, you grow, you become CEO. It's happened with people we've seen. और लेकिन अगर आपका शनि मुश्किल वाला है, debilitated है या negative dignity में है, तो problem देगा, stress देगा, struggle देगा. और ये जो कर्म है आपके, which is very important, they will suddenly start coming back to haunt you. The bad ones. The good ones, unfortunately, we just take for granted. हम कहते हैं तो हमने करना था, हमने कर लिया. Sat Sati में life structured हो जाती है. People ask me, what does Sat Sati depend on? It depends on 3 things. First, your individual birth chart. आपकी birth chart में planets कैसे हैं, कहाँ placed हैं? Number 1. Number 2, it depends on transits and dasha. Saturn कहाँ है, दशा किसकी चल रही है? Last time भी कहा था, if moon is placed in its own sign, the sign of sun or sign of Saturn, and शनि की ही दशा चल रही है या moon की अंतर दशा चल रही है, तो havoc तो होगा, right? Fortunately for me, मेरी Sat Sati चल रही है, but that dasha is over, and I'm blessed that I have Jupiter which is boosting my moon, so Sat Sati will be a very, very progressive transformation for me. Life आगे जाएगी. See, it's important to know that when you know कि अच्छा टाइम आ रहा है और आ गया है और आएगा, then you can always face a day with more courage, as opposed to getting worried and saying कल क्या होगा, हम कैसे निभाएंगे, right? And the third thing I want to tell listeners for Sat Sati, very, very important, your personal effort and your personal attitude matters in life. It is bigger than your planets. How you approach your life, how you take on the world, you will be surprised. Your strength, your courage, your mind, your attitude can mitigate almost every difficulty in life. You have to learn. कुछ आता है, कुछ जाता है. How does it matter? You will lose something. You will gain something. Focus on what you've gained and let go of what you have lost. It's not worth crying over it.
Absolutely. That's absolutely right, that it majorly depends on our nazariya, what we are focusing on in life, what we are taking the thing.
People tend to have a very narrow focus. I'm listening to lots of shows on different radio stations also. Focus थोड़ा कम होता है. कोई बोलते हैं, let's buy real estate, let's do this. But then you can open your horizons also, right? Obviously the realtor wants to sell a house, he wants to sell property to you. But you as an individual have to think, should I invest my money in property? Should I invest it in, stocks, or should I just invest it in myself? Right? So life में थोड़ा broad सोचो. Because by the time you realize, you blink. I blinked, 1 year is over for this show. I'll blink again, more time is over, I'll blink, I'll be gone. तो थोड़ा संभलिए life में. Take life one step at a time, start enjoying every day. the people you know, the people you care for, the people you are with. Enjoy your work. If you're not enjoying your work, then there is a problem. Believe me, if you're making a certain amount of salary but you hate your job, I guarantee you, you can get the same salary in a job you like.
You are
just-
meant for something else.
You're meant for something else. You just have to find it. You just have to search for it. इतनी cases होते हैं where people take off from work for years and then they go back only to do better. That time that they took off was like a rejuvenation. उनके mind, body, soul को सब energize करके they say let's go for it again. तो लाइफ में सेटबैक्स तो होते हैं, किसकी नहीं होती.
जी.
एज एन एस्ट्रोलॉजर हमारी खुद की लाइफ में इतने सेटबैक्स हुए. वी नो व्हेन इट इज कमिंग, बट द ब्यूटी इज एटलीस्ट वी नो ये आ रहा है, वी आर प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर इट. एंड जब जा रहा है, वी नो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. एंड एज एन एस्ट्रोलॉजर वी ट्राई टू कीप अ काम फेस नो मैटर व्हाट वी गो थ्रू इन लाइफ. हमें करना पड़ता है.
जी.
यू नो, यूल बी सरप्राइज्ड एट द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ पीपल फ्रॉम ऑल वॉक्स ऑफ लाइफ जो हमारे पास आते हैं. वी हैव CEOs ऑफ कंपनीज, वी हैव हेज फंड मैनेजर्स, we have politicians, we have Bollywood actors, and then we have people who've lost everything in life, right? जो lost भी करते हैं, we chart out a plan कि how will you gain something in life. You know, I just had a case where somebody from New York called me. Their son was very nervous. I don't like studying, I don't like doing this. He said, why you don't like? We tried working with him, planets देखे, दशा देखी. He's happy, he's an intern in an AI company, खुश है. He says, I want to get my master's now. So see, till the time you don't get exposed to something, how will you learn? How will you know? Life is short. Learn to enjoy it. साठ सती आपका कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ सकती. Remedies बहुत हैं. You can contact us, we can explain. I wanted to talk about साठ सती की कौन सी remedy है, कब होती है, कैसे चलती है, sign based. Perhaps another day.
Yes, we just have 4 more minutes, and before giving out more information, I would like to remind listeners that you can also call Dr. Bhatia. You can take the guidance about what's happening in your life and how you can use the positive time to its best. And if the time is not so good, how you can sail through. He will definitely be there to assist you. आपके charts में क्या है और आप कैसे उसका सही use कर सकते हैं at the right time is definitely what Dr. Bhatia has expertise in. Connect with him 408-639-5300. एक बार फिर से, द नंबर इज 408-639-5300 and the website is saketbhatia.com. You can write to him info@saketbhatia.com and you listen to him live on Radio Zindagi every Tuesday 4 to 5 p.m. So we just have 3 more minutes in the show. Would you like to wrap it up?
I generally like to wrap up by saying something positive, you know, motivating people, but this time I want to take some time off. I have heartbreaking news for people. इस रेडियो स्टेशन पे, रेडियो ज़िंदगी पे, there are many people that have shows, astrologers, numerologists, psychics. I would like to inform listeners of Vaneet Sharma ji, who happened to be a well-known astrologer, a dominant force in his own, you know, right, reputed astrologer. I mean, actually, I'm out of words. He passed away yesterday. So Vaneet ji is no more with us. देखिए, लाइफ शॉर्ट होती है. I wish his family the very best. I wish them strength during this difficult time. He was survived by his wife and his children. I have no guilt or shame in admitting that I used to listen to his show. उनका शो आता था हर Wednesday. Vedika, you were the host of the show. So for those who don't know, he was a good astrologer. He gave good remedies. He gave good suggestions. A good man in his own right. Astrology community choti hai, so every time some events happen, we like to discuss them on radio. We like to talk about it. See, this is a heartbreaking thing for me. He was a very young man. I never really got a chance to meet him. I only met him twice. I wish I had more chance, but see, this is what it is. Wishing doesn't help. Life short hoti hai, meet people. I want to close my show by just saying, you know, Vaneet ji, you will be missed. I never got a chance to know you. I wish I had. But for all the listeners out there, you know, unfortunately his show won't be there anymore. Shocking news for me, shocking news for the community.
Definitely. So with that, listeners, we are almost out of time. Just 1 more minute in this show. आप सुन रहे थे The Saket Bhatia Astrology Show, and we'll be back next Tuesday 4 to 5 p.m. with another interesting discussion. And I think we will continue with Sade Sati and we'll add more interesting topics. If you would like to listen to something specific or would like to know anything else about your Kundali, your loved one's charts, to connect with Dr. Bhatia, 4086395300 डायरेक्टली कॉल कीजिए. अपॉइंटमेंट लेकर आप मिल सकते हैं उन्हें. We'll be back next Tuesday. Thank you so much, Dr. Bhatia, for joining us today.
Thank you. Have a good evening. Bye.